Hi guys, welcome to Open Hand Farm. Today is the final day of the Every Bit Counts Challenge. I didn't think I'd make it, but I did. And only because so many of you were so supportive and your comments were amazing. And your ideas, I love it. Thank you so much for commenting and being a part of our life here at Open Hand Farm. I'm in the process of trying to figure out where to put all this food, but I told my husband, I said, let's just lay it out on the table and take a video of it. I had no idea there was so much. When you lay it all out, it is crazy. So I am calling this a haul. This is a haul of canned foods. And I still have some things in the freezer, like my frozen kefir and some frozen butter with herbs in it, and my pie crust that I put in. And there's a few other things that I just didn't pull out. So let me show you what I did within this month of the Every Bit Counts Challenge. All right, you guys, look at this. Oh my gosh. Can you even believe that I did all of that in the last month? I can't, and I really don't know where we're gonna put it. I have some shelves allotted for it downstairs, but they might exceed that shelf space. And I'm not done canning for the summer. So we'll figure something out. Let's just take a peek at some of the things that I canned. I got some peaches at the produce auction. So I have some peach butter, some peach jam. I bought corn there also. So we've got corn salsa, more corn. We have tomatoes in the garden. So we have bruschetta in a jar. We have green beans that we got at the auction and potatoes that we got at the auction. So we have all of those. A viewer suggested I make chicken cacciatore, so there's that. Taco soup from the leftover canned ground beef, which I had several pints of, and just used some to make tacos, and it was wonderful. All of my herbal things, my tinctures. Today I made some elderberry astragalus root syrup. We have my eggs that I water glassed, some dried elderberry, fire roasted tomato powder, some different herbs that we ended up dehydrating. We've got all these new jams that we've never tried before. Spicy tomato jam, honey raspberry, blueberry, basil balsamic jam. Mark's really excited about that one. Onion jam, which I have used before and everybody loves, so I had to make more of that. Some rabbit stock, and something else I hadn't made before, ghee. And some of this is still trying to harden up because I just made it today. Cinnamon applesauce that I made today also from some apples that we got on sale at Hy-Vee. You guys, this is beautiful. So my only problem now is I kind of don't want to open any of the jars. I mean, I worked hard on them. Now, I did open a jar the other day, like I said, of the ground beef, and we also had a jar of raspberry jelly open. But there's so much work there. I just want to have it on the shelf for a few days. Let me know if you understand this feeling. Somebody asked me if I will ever do this again. I really would like to say I don't want to stop doing this. I want every month to be productive in the food saving area of my life. I have not been really good about that, and it makes me feel like I am a better steward while I'm doing it. But I also wanted to challenge you. Something that Jessica from Three Rivers Homestead, who initiated this challenge, said the other day really hit home with me. And She wanted everyone to know that in canning and preserving, every bit counts. But if we approach every situation in our life by doing a little bit at a time, we could accomplish so much. So whatever it is that is a challenge in your life, something that you need to improve or build on, every little bit counts. So don't forget that. So thank you so much for walking with me through this month and for giving me encouragement. And I can't wait to show you what I end up canning in the future. And I also want to thank Mark because, oh my gosh, you guys, let me just turn around here. This man, there were nights that I was like, I didn't get my canning done. So he would go to bed and I would come to bed at like 1 o'clock in the morning.
I cried myself to sleep.
I could see the dry tears on his pillow, but he never complained. He just knew that I had a challenge and he was happy with me for trying to continue with it. So thank you, honey, for putting up with my late nights and the messy kitchen and so much more. But anyway, thank you again. And if you haven't subscribed, please do, or give me a thumbs up if this is the kind of video that you like to see. And until next time, blessings on you and yours.